Hey everybody, this is Danger Dave, and this video is kind of a different video than what I do. It's a riding video of me riding down Highway 178, leaving the Lake Isabella area and heading down towards Bakersfield in Central California. About 120 miles north of Los Angeles, there's Highway 178. And from Bakersfield, it goes up the Kern Canyon up to Kernville. And it's one of the epic rides in our community. It's probably one of the best rides you can ride on. It's a canyon road, and the Kern River parallels this road, or this road parallels the Kern River. And over the last couple of years, that river's been very, very low, a trickle, if you will. But with the rain and the snow we've had in California, the water is raging. I mean, it is unbelievable. It's historic. It's epic. In fact, it's going to create some problems for this road and for Bakersfield later on, late spring, early summer with the melt off. But I wanted to put it out there and just show you the ride. If you're ever in the Bakersfield area or Kernville area, this is the road you want to take. It's about 15, 17 miles long, but from the base of the canyon up out of the canyon, and it just is beautiful every day of the week. I've ridden it over, 150 times, and it never gets old. This part here, we're kind of up high and coming down, and the river will be on our right-hand side. And as we get lower, we get very close to the river for many miles, and we'll show that to you. But it's just a great ride. I'll let the engine noise play in the background. Sometimes I hear the silly music. I don't want to hear the music. I want to hear the engine of the motorcycle. So take a look at it. It's about 7 minutes long, 8 minutes long. You know, subscribe and like for sure, but turn it off anytime. But it's a great road. If you get out to Bakersfield, this area, it's worth the ride to ride up the canyon to Kernville, get some breakfast, and turn around and ride it back. It's beautiful. Anyway, enjoy, and we'll talk to you soon. One thing to note that every year, every summer, this is going to be no different. There will be people that will come up from usually Los Angeles or come down to San Francisco and want to spend the day on the river. And like most of you know, if you're by a river like this, the water is going way faster than you think. It's very thick, very deep, and it sucks people in every year. We're going to have 3 or 4 people die this year. It's really sad. So if you don't know about rivers, just stay out of them, stay safe. But that is Kern River. It's very nasty for some people. This video was taken today. It's Friday, and it's Friday before Easter. So there's a lot of traffic on the road going up and down, actually, but it's not too bad. But typically on any time you take this road, except on holiday weekends or a busy Friday afternoon, The road's pretty empty. You might pass a few cars going either direction, but it really is it's a great road. So get up here, check it out. Give me a call. I'll ride it with you.